as many startups struggle to raise additional funds or cut back on spending, some investors are looking to double down on earlier bets. San Francisco-based venture fund Greenoaks Capital has led a new $200 million round for HR startup Personio, valuing the company at $8.5 billion. The unusual preemptive investment extends the $270 million Series E round Personio, which builds HR software for small European companies, raised in October. The deal also signals that the multiples for fast-growing startups like Munich-based Personio, which doubled its revenue since its last round, have softened along with public markets. Other European unicorns like Klarna are reportedly seeking new funds at a third of the $46 billion valuation it hit last year. Personio co-founder and chief executive Hanno Renner says the new funds were not needed but piling money on the company's balance sheet would support its growth over the next 2 to 3 years, and new acquisitions. The startup acquired Back, a Berlin-based company that automates common employee questions about leave and payroll, in May. We had the feeling that now was a good time with everything going on to prop up our balance sheet and be able to continue to make sensible investments over the coming years. Personio charges small European companies around $190 a month to help automate routine HR tasks like tracking hiring, payroll, and performance reviews. That recurring revenue from 6-year-old startup 600 customer had played a bigger part in conversations with investors since the war in Ukraine sparked a sharp sell-off in public markets, and particularly tech stocks, says Renner. What really changed there was much more focus on the fundamentals.